Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem Facebook 8 digits not received, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just close your Facebook app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to restore your phone. So just go to the settings, just tap on general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And another thing you can try to check your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. If you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just find here Facebook, and if you see update button near Facebook, so just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, like and bye.